write the value of sine pi by 15 into sine 4 pi by 15 into sine 3 pi by 10. And since we know that 2 sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So let us multiply and divide with 2. So 1 by 2 times 2 sine 4 pi by 15 into sine pi by 15 into sine 3 pi by 10. So let us apply the formula here. 2 sin A sin B, A is equal to 4 pi by 15 and B is equal to pi by 15. So we can write here 1 by 2 times cos A minus B, that is 4 pi by 15 minus pi by 15 minus cos of A plus B, that is 4 pi by 15 plus pi by 15 into sin 3 pi by 10. So which equals to 1 by 2 times cos of 4 pi minus 1 pi, that is 3 pi by 15, 3 pi by 15 is pi by 5 minus cos 4 pi plus 1 pi, that is 5 pi by 15, that is pi by 3 into sin 3 pi by 10. So which is equal to 1 by 2 times cos pi by 5 into sin 3 pi by 10 minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2, that is cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2 into sin 3 pi by 10. So which equals to 1 by 2, and again multiplying and dividing with 2. So we can write here this is 2 sin 3 pi by 5, sorry 3 pi by 10 into cos pi by 5 minus 1 by 4 sin 3 pi by 10. And again we had a formula that 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B sin A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So that we can substitute here. So 1 by 4 times sin of A plus B, that is 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 5 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, that is 3 pi by 10 minus pi by 5 minus 1 by 4 sin 3 pi by 10. So which equals to 1 by 4 times sin 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 5, that's into 2 and 2, so it is nothing but 5 pi by 10, that's pi by 2 value. And again here sin 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is pi by 10 you will be getting, minus 1 by 4 sin 3 pi by 10. So which equals to 1 by 4 into sin pi by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into sin 10 sin pi by 10 minus 1 by 4 sin 3 pi by 10. So in the next step let us write so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 taken common, sin pi by 10 sin pi by 10 minus sin 3 pi by 10, and let us use the sin C minus sin D formula. So sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So we can write here 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 times 2 cos C plus D by 2, that is pi by 10 plus 3 pi by 10, that is 4 pi by 10 divided by 2 into sin of pi by 10 minus 3 pi by 10, that is minus 2 pi by 10 divided with 2. So we can write here the next step. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 times to 2 times of cos. This is 2 pi by 10, that is pi by 5, and here we can write sine of minus theta is minus, so here the sign will change, minus, so sine pi by 10, so which equals to 1 by 4 minus, it's a 1 by 2 times, and since we know that actually this is from multiples and submultiples concept, so cos pi by 5 value is root 5 plus 1 by 4, and sine pi by 10 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So that let us use these two values, root 5 plus 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4, so that 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into, so this is 1 upon 16, and root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1, that is root 5 whole square, root 5 whole square minus 1 square, so which equals to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 16 into, so root 5 whole square is 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4, 4 4s are 16, so we are getting 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8. So 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8 is, it's a LCM is 2, so 2 minus 1 1, so the answer is 1 upon 8. So we can just conclude the answer for the question. Sine pi by 15, sine 4 pi by 15 into sine 3 pi by 10, answer is 1 upon 8. Okay, thank you.